Hi, I'm Iqbal, and today's video lesson is about using object pronouns like me and him. We use object pronouns in everyday English, but what are object pronouns and what do we use them for? Let's learn about this together. Let's talk about work. Simon works in my team. I like to work with him. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Let's focus on the word him. Look carefully at the sentences. In this sentence, instead of saying, I like to work with Simon, we replace the word Simon with him. Him is an object in this sentence, replacing the word Simon. So what is an object pronoun and when do we use it? An object pronoun is used as an object of a verb or a preposition. We use object pronouns instead of object nouns because we know from before what the object is. Let's look at another example. I use the computer at work. I use it a lot. In this example, instead of saying I use the computer a lot, I replace the word computer with it. The computer is the object in the sentence. The word it replaces the word computer. Let's move on. So, where do object pronouns like him go in a sentence? Let's find out. In the sentence, I like to work with him, can you spot the object pronoun? Him is the object pronoun and it comes after the verb work. Him is the object of the verb work. In English, the object pronoun comes after the verb. What about the different types of object pronouns? There are two types of object pronouns, singular and plural. Let's start with the singular ones. We can see there are 5 different singular object pronouns. They are me, you, him, her, and it. You can see each object pronoun along with the subject pronoun. The subject pronoun is I and the object pronoun is me. You is the same for both. He is the subject pronoun and him is the object pronoun. There is also she and her, and it is the same for both. Let's have a quick look at some examples. Me. Simon works with me. Me here means the speaker. You. I work with you. You means the person I am speaking to. Him. I work with him. Him means another male person. For example, it could be Simon. Her. I work with her. Her means another female person. For example, it could be Trudy. It. I work with it. It means a device, for example. It could be a computer. What about plural object pronouns? Like with the singular ones, they come after the verb as they are objects. We can see there are 3 different plural object pronouns. They are us, you, and them. The subject pronoun is we and the object pronoun is us. You is the same for both and they is the subject pronoun, and them is the object pronoun. Let's have a quick look at some examples. Us. Simon works with us. Simon works with the speaker and one or more person. Us is used as a plural object. You. Simon works with you. Simon works with the person being spoken to and one or more person. This is the plural you. And finally, them. Simon works with them. Simon works with a group of people. Let's conclude. Now you can use object pronouns like me and him. Today we learn what is an object pronoun, when we use an object pronoun, and using different types of object pronouns. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.